We're looking at today a vintage Homelite XL12 in really nice shape. No missing pieces, no damaged or cracked cases. It has an original Homelite bar. The chain, however, is worn out. You will need to replace the chain. $169.99 plus shipping puts this on your doorstep anywhere in the U.S. We also ship anywhere in the world using eBay International Shipping, so if you're looking to get into vintage chainsaws, this is a great start to your first chainsaw in your new collection. Don't wait, don't hesitate, act now folks, because when this is gone, it's gone, and it won't be in your garage. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matter most.